no gold is not enough.
This is the part 1 of the mini breadboard series. Today, we are going to see different types of breadboard on the basis of their sizes. First, what is breadboard? Breadboard is used for practicing the circuit before making it in PCB to avoid any mistakes. There are 3 major types of breadboard: full, half and mini. Here is a full-size breadboard. It has 5 holes in each of its vertical line and 50 holes in 4 of its horizontal line. This is an half-size breadboard. It has 5 holes in each of its vertical line and 25 holes in its horizontal lines. This is a mini breadboard. It has 5 holes in its vertical lines, but it has no horizontal connections. So, let's see how all of these breadboards are interconnected inside. A set of 5 holes are interconnected, which is shown by the black color, and 5 sets of 25 holes are horizontally interconnected. That is it for today, guys. Tomorrow we will see different components which we will use in breadboard. Thanks for watching.